Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling components and understanding why each matters. The resistor protects the LED, the switch controls power, and the enclosure diffuses light. First, test the LED with the battery and resistor to confirm brightness and polarity. Once done, mark mounting points on your enclosure and drill a small hole for the LED. Make sure to place the battery holder where you can change cells easily. This reduces future hassle and keeps connections tidy. You now wire the circuit carefully while explaining how and why each step affects performance. Solder the resistor to the LED's positive leg to limit current, then connect the free resistor end to the switch, because inline switching is reliable and user-friendly. Next, attach the negative LED leg to the battery negative terminal, securing with solder or a connector. Once wired, test the circuit repeatedly. Make sure the LED lights only when the switch is on, and tidy wires to prevent shorts. You finish by sealing the night light and explaining final checks. Close the enclosure but leave battery access, and add a diffuser to soften glare because diffusion improves comfort. Turn the light on and let it run for a short test to check heat and battery drain. This reveals issues early. If the LED fails to light, systematically troubleshoot. Verify battery voltage, confirm LED polarity, inspect solder joints and resistor value, and check the switch. These steps usually identify the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.